Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we have a midweek freebie video, and this is a really unique week when you can get so many freebies all at once. So it's really fantastic, including a penny list that should have happened last Saturday. It pennied out today, a Wednesday penny list. Now, depending where you're living, this is, believe it or not, is a photo of the sun. We're dealing with some really bad smoke from a wildfire up in Canada that's crossed over the border in northern Michigan, and it's really crazy right now. So because of, I don't really do well when this smoke like gets in your nose. I don't like that. So I actually called my trip a little bit short. I still have the deals for you, but I did have to call my trip a little bit short because I don't do well with this when it goes in your nose or your eyes. I don't know. But be safe out there, and believe it or not, this is a picture of the sun. No filters, no nothing, just weird looking today. Okay, so the first store that we have is Walgreens, and this morning they gave us a bunch of boosters to load. These do not start until Sunday the 19th, so load them. The first is a 7-back when you spend $35, and then we have a 4-back when we buy 2 dental care, and a 15-back when you spend $45 in P&G dental care. So load all 3 of these, and let's get right into the deals. The first deal is these 30 counts of the Walgreens cough drop. Grabbing exactly 2 of them per transaction, 2 of them on a buy one get one 50% off will be $3.73, and then you're going to get back a $5 store coupon, and the $5 store coupon is off of anything medical, but you can use it on anything. But if the cashier is going to read the register reward, you might be in a world of trouble. So that's why I would not go too crazy with this deal. Like, just be smart about it. So it makes it free plus a $1.27 moneymaker. And if you're going to buy a volume of, say, like 800 bags of this, you're going to do that many transactions. They do expire, and the cashier in the future might not scan it on whatever you want. They might say medical stuff only, and you're going to have to get like 800 things of Band-Aids. So, I mean, personally, I would only do it 2 times. Once on my card and once on my husband's card, because I would use that register reward for this following deal. And remember, it's a store register reward, so it's kind of confusing. It's not like a regular register reward. This is what I would do. I would pick up 2 of the Colgate Sensitives. They're $5 each. $4 manufacturer register reward when you purchase 2. You also have to make sure that that machine is on, because if it's not printing your register rewards, you might be in a bit of trouble today. And then this is the coupon that you're going to load, and I believe most of us got it last Sunday, which is a 5 off of 2 manufacturer. So grabbing 2 of these toothpaste, it's going to be exactly $10. Subtracting your manufacturer, it's going to be a $5 total. But if your cashier will scan that $5 store coupon from cough drops, you're going to just pay tax and then get back a $4 register reward. And I call this a super smart deal. If the cashier reads it and they're like, go in the dollar spot and pick up some Band-Aids and just throw it into the thing and say, hey, here's my first aid stuff. Why not? Okay, the other deal that I would absolutely do this week is the Scott's to grab 2 paper towels and 2 toilet papers for $20. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off, so $5 will come off instantly. Plus, we have 2 off of 2 digital coupons, so $4 will come off. You're paying $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per bag of paper. This is a very good price point. And again, couldn't make this one happen because of the weird smoky air outside. Hopefully I'll get to the store later this week and the smoky air slows down or clears up. But yeah, I did go to the Dollar General first thing this morning, and there was a penny list that was supposed to happen last Saturday, which is an odd day, but it happened today, which is Wednesday. You're going to go in the section with all of these frames and pictures. It's called the NCI section. It basically looks like a TJ Maxx. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. And the first 3 stores I went to, I scored at all 3. And then as the morning was marching on, I was finding less. Maybe it was the curse of the smoky air. We don't know. Some of the great items that I found that I'm absolutely happy with are the frames with the 3 5x7s. And there's some mirrors as well that are really cute. So I'm going to show you some of the visuals and UPCs. Go out ASAP for this. Open up your Dollar General app. Scan the barcodes. If it's ringing up 0.00 for you in the store, at the register, it should ring up a penny. And here's just an example of one of the items that I found today. It's a penny if it's showing up that way. And if you have the visuals of what you're looking for, sometimes it's easier to just find what you're it's easier to find it. So anything that's like a home good, that, laundry or anything by Willow Springs, I would scan. And this is the company. Now, from last year when they had this list, it was a lot larger items and just a bigger list. This is a little bit smaller, and everything is no larger than 11 by 14. So, if you don't really have a ton of room to store this stuff, or you want to keep it all for Christmas, it's all smaller items. They're not huge. You can see the top of my hand there, and this is just a decorative table cross. I only found one of these. I thought I would find a lot more. It's called a tabletop cross plaque. That would look just absolutely beautiful in a living room, I think. But I only found one. A lot of stuff, anything to do with laundry, specifically by Willow Springs. This says Mama's Laundry, Help Wanted. So from $5 down to a penny, you absolutely can't beat that price. And yep, it's just very adorable. I think all of this stuff is really cute today. And we haven't had a really great penny list like this in a while. So the fact that it's on a Wednesday, I did score a little bit more because the regular rank and file of penny shoppers in my area were not out. Happiness is a long hot bath, and this is my iPhone 17 taking some amazing photos. Sorry guys, it's the best we have this morning, but just to show you the visuals, like what do these look like, go right away because it's going to get cleared, and it's just like anything, it's going to get cleared really quickly. I really like this one, just the texturing and how it looks like a New York City bathroom, the floors, wash, dry, fold, like the exterior. I love this look of that one. This is to hang your keys. It says key and home. $6 down to a penny. You absolutely can't beat that price point. And here's the UPC for that one. I thought there would be a lot of surprise items like there was last year for this list. I could not find anything. But again, that smoke was really kind of making me move quickly. So this is a 3-piece wall mirror set. Absolutely stunning. Original $10 down to a penny. So yeah, definitely worth being on the lookout for some of this stuff. And hopefully these visuals help you. This is probably my absolute favorite item that I found. It's this 3 count of the 5x7 prints. Original $8 down to a penny. So we get a lot of free prints over at Walgreens. So if you want to, for Christmas, put some of those free prints in that would be a really meaningful gift, especially if somebody likes photos. I think it's a very sweet gift, any sort of photos. So from $8 down to a penny, and that is the only framed thing that I found when I was out and about. Big thank you to Crazy for couponing, the Geeky Banana Saves, and Christie's Connections for always putting out the penny information and being on top of it. These ladies are absolutely amazing. So thank you to all of them. There is no way I would find all this stuff without their help. So thank you, thank you, thank you. This was a penny item from Tuesday the 14th. It is I think it's the carrot cake and any lemon Betty Crocker. Found this on a regular shelf, 3 of them. I don't know why another penny shopper didn't find them, but here's the UPC. Look for them in the summer area, like with the food, or on end caps specifically where they put seasonal food. Now, if you strike out on everything, maybe that you can do this coupon deal. It is to grab one of those really large Lipton iced teas and a bag of Lay's. So the Lipton iced tea, you also might find merchandise towards the front of the store. It's just a really big container of iced tea. It's $2.50. And our Lay's chips is also $3.50. So for the 2 items, it's going to be a combination of $6. And forgive me, guys, I lost my receipt. I think I left it at the store by accident. I just would rather show you the receipt, but I don't have one to show you, so I just typed out this deal. These are the coupons that you're going to load for this. We have a 4 off a 2 for the chips, $1 for the chips. And if you can't specifically find these, just go into your coupons folder and type in Lay's. They should probably populate for you. And then this 4 off a 2 is also working with this transaction. And if you can't find it, just type in like Doritos or Lay's or Lipton. It might populate. So again, one of those Lay's chips for $3.50, and I just went with that bag of Wavies, and then one of the iced teas for $2.50. That is exactly $6. We have a 4 off a 2 and a $1 digital. That's $5 right there melting off. The final price point here is $1 for 2 or 50 cents per for a big thing of iced tea and a nice thing of chips. Hey, that's a really smart deal. Again, that Lipton iced tea, I had a really hard time finding it. I could not find it on Sunday and Monday, but then today found a whole bunch at like many stores. It's funny that when you're not really looking for something, you find it. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever have problems like that where you can't find it and then boom, it's like it just hits you right in the face. Have until Saturday to do this last deal at Family Dollar, and it is to find some clearance Febreze. It is either the summer scents, like there's a berry one and like a hibiscus one, or these friends. We have the Island Fresh of the Febreze Air. They're $1.47 each. Or the bathroom small spaces by Gain, also $1.47. There's also a small spaces, it's called strawberry brambleberry or something like that. That one, but you have to grab them in sets of 2. I did this on both mine and my husband's card. That's why I have 4 there. You're going to load this coupon. This coupon is of a one-time use as well, but load it. And then just to show you guys, $2.47 items, subtracting that $3.50 off of 2, you're not going to get overage. My subtotal is 0, and I just paid tax for this. So if you can find these on a regular shelf or possibly in the clearance section, go and make this deal happen over at Family Dollar. Final store that we have is Walmart. A lot of Swiffer items are on clearance, and with Walmart Cash, you can get it either free or really cheap. And I did 2 Walmart Cash deals. It's with the Walmart Cash. It is not on IBOTTA. The Neutrogena is $2.50, and we have $5 back with Walmart Cash. And the Olay's cleansing melts, the 32 counter is $2.50, and we have $2 back from Walmart Cash, making that 50 cents for 32 counter, which is really fantastic. Sure, you can check IBOTTA in case you might have rebates, but all of my rebates were with my Walmart Cash. They were not on IBOTTA, which is weird. Again, this friend was $2.50, and then the $2 of Walmart Cash, it made it 50 cents after everything is said and done. If you've ever used these products, it's like magic. And then that little Neutrogena lip balm, $2.50, and we had $5 back, so it made it a money maker for me. So I basically paid $5 at the register for the 2 items, and then I had to submit it manually to my Walmart app, and then it made it Walmart Cash like within like 5 to 10 minutes. And here it is. I got my $7 back, 5 from Neutrogena, and 2 from those Olay melts. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. I would get out to the Dollar General ASAP. Bye.